Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add a logo for your Canva video on Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just look for a logo that you want to add. Let's just say just go to the element section and search for logos here. So in order to add premium logos, you will need the Canva Pro subscription, or else you can also use free logos. Let's just say I'll use this logo here. I'll just click on it, and the logo will be automatically adjusted with the video, like wherever I place it. So that's it. That's how you add a logo to your Canva video. You can also upload your personal logo that you want to, so the process is still the same. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.